Hey, Tiger, I wouldn't eat that before work.
Mind your own business. Oh, shit.
Working on the job site, something don't feel right. Backdoor barking, this ain't no fun. Can't work now cause I got to run. Shit done, got real, I can't fake it. Gonna be real nookie if I even make it. Working all funny cause it really burns. Got my hand on my hole cause I got the squirts. Squeezing real hard, give it all I got. Leave my undies in the crap shack cause they're shot.
I tried to warn you, Tiger. This ever happened to you? Tell us your tale in the comments.